Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of fasting, hadith number 1918 and hadith number 1919, where Hazrat Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, she said that the Prophet said that when you hear Bilal, may Allah be pleased with him, pronounce the adhan, please don't get deceived by it and continue eating and drinking until you hear the adhan of Ibn Maktoum. For he does not pronounce the adhan until it is dawn. That means you can eat till dawn. It's mentioned in Sahih Jame, volume number 1, hadith number 2835, where a beloved Prophet ﷺ said that you should hasten in breaking the fast and delay in having the suhoor. It's further mentioned in a Sahih hadith of Al-Bayhaqi, hadith number 8127, that the Sahabas, they were the first to break their fast and they were the last to do their suhoor. Further it's mentioned in a Sahih hadith of Al-Bayhaqi, hadith number 8125, in which Prophet ﷺ said that we prophets have been commanded that we should be the first to break the fast and the last to take the suhoor and place our right hand over the left when we offer salah. So based on these ahadith, it shows that suhoor can be had from any time between midnight to the break of dawn, but it is preferable delaying your suhoor.